In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize project in Asana. Start by opening Asana and heading to the login page. If your workspace uses Google Sign-In, click Continue with Google. Select your Google account to sign in. Once you're on your Asana home screen, look for the Quick Add button in the top bar, it's the plus icon, and choose Project. For a fresh setup, pick Blank Project. Give your project a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize. Avoid acronyms unless everyone already uses them. Then click Continue. Next, choose the default views you want available in this project. Asana lets you enable list, board, timeline for a Gantt-style view, and calendar. Think about how your team plans and reviews work. List is great for structured outlines, board is perfect for status tracking. Timeline helps you see dependencies and schedules, and calendar shows due dates at a glance. You can turn on more than one so teammates can switch to the view that suits them best. When you're ready, click Create Project. Your project opens in List View, which is ideal for defining scope and structure. Add sections to group-related tasks or phases so everything stays organized. For example, you might separate work into planning, production, review, and launch, but choose labels that reflect your own workflow. Sections act like headers that make long task lists easier to scan and help you spot gaps or bottlenecks quickly. Now switch to the board view. This turns your project into columns that represent stages, giving you a visual pipeline of progress. Rename the first column to To-Do List so it clearly holds work that hasn't started yet. Rename the next column to In Progress, which is where active tasks live. If you need another stage, add a new section to create an additional column. Name this one Completed to collect tasks that are finished. You can add more sections anytime to match your process, and it's a good idea to keep names short and unambiguous so everyone understands what belongs where. As work advances, you'll be able to drag tasks across these columns, making status changes obvious without extra updates. That's the core setup. By logging in, starting a blank project, choosing helpful views, and structuring both list and board with meaningful sections, you've built a simple system that reduces clutter and keeps priorities visible. Keep section names consistent across projects so teammates always know where to look, and revisit your sections periodically to ensure they still match how your team works. This foundation will make every new project in Asana faster to set up and easier to manage.